Ever wondered how you could turn a few bucks into a cool $600? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around because we might just have cracked the code. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Acorns, and more specifically, how you can potentially score a sweet $600 bonus. Let's get real for a second. Everyone wants to make more money, right? But who has the time or energy to hustle side gigs or invest in complex financial instruments? That's where Acorns comes in. It's like having a personal financial assistant that automatically invests your spare change. But can it really turn into a $600 payday? That's the question we're about to answer. First off, what is Acorns? For those of you who are new to the game, Acorns is an investment app that rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. It's a super easy way to start saving without even thinking about it. But here's the kicker, Acorns also offers referral bonuses. And these bonuses can sometimes be pretty lucrative. Now, let's talk about the $600. It's important to note that these bonuses fluctuate. Acorns runs different promotions from time to time. So, while it's possible to earn $600, it's not guaranteed. But hey, that doesn't mean it's not worth exploring. To maximize your chances of scoring a big bonus, you'll need to understand how the referral program works. Typically, you'll get a referral link to share with friends and family. When someone signs up using your link and meets certain criteria, you both earn a bonus. The amount of the bonus depends on the specific promotion. So, how do you actually get people to sign up using your link? Well, that's where the art of persuasion comes in. You can share your referral link on social media, through email, or even in person. Be enthusiastic about Acorns and explain how it can benefit your friends and family. Remember, people are more likely to sign up if they see the value in it. But it's not just about getting people to sign up. You also want to make sure they stick around and actually use the app. The more active users you refer, the higher your chances of reaching the bonus threshold. So, encourage your referrals to explore the app's features and make regular deposits. Of course, there are terms and conditions to every promotion. You'll need to read the fine print carefully to understand the requirements. Some promotions might have minimum deposit amounts, investment periods, or other criteria. It's important to meet these requirements to qualify for the bonus. While Acorns can be a great way to start investing and potentially earn some extra cash, it's essential to approach it with realistic expectations. Investing always involves risk, and there's no guarantee that you'll make money. Treat any bonus as a bonus, not as a guaranteed income stream. Now, let's talk about some tips and tricks to maximize your chances of success. First, be patient. Building a referral network takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Second, focus on quality over quantity. It's better to have a few highly engaged referrals than a large number of inactive ones. And finally, have fun with it. Sharing your financial journey with friends and family can be a great way to connect and help others. So, can you really make $600 with Acorns? The answer is, it depends. With the right strategy and a bit of luck, it's definitely possible. But remember, there's no guaranteed path to riches. Treat Acorns as a long-term investment and enjoy the journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.